Whoa. What happened? I haven't felt this horrible since I accidentally saw Comedy Chimp's swimsuit calendar. Ooh, November. And why am I dressed like a discount bin action figure? Hello? Anybody here? This place is deserted and depressing. It's Amy's poetry slam all over again. Am I... Oh, yeah, right. Maybe Tails knows what's going on. Tails? You here? Maybe he's with Amy. I guess it's my own fault. You snooze, you lose. Tails? Amy? Whew. They're not here. I mean, oh no, they're not here. Nobody at Medburger either. Well, actually, that makes sense. Think, Sonic. How did this happen?
Sonic Speed Boost experiment, take 1. Slingshot. Everyone ready?
Ready!
Ready!
Tails, are you sure this is safe?
Oh, right. Almost forgot. Hit it, Sticks! Sonic Speed Boost experiment, take 2. Operation Rocket Skates.
Hold on. My head's still pounding from the last go.
He said go!
Wait, what?
Oh no, Sonic! You scuffed my skates.
Sonic Speed Boost experiment, take 3. The moving sidewalk. Since Sonic's so fast on solid ground, logic dictates if the ground is moving, he'd be even faster.
This one doesn't look so bad.
Oh! I missed that last part. Can we do it again?
Okay, you guys, I'll be the first to admit my Speed Boost experiments were a tad inconclusive.
Does inconclusive mean the same thing as hilarious?
You know what they say, no pain, no gain.
I'm sorry if this was painful for you, Tails.
I'm okay. Without your broken ribs, I would never have invented this. My ultrasonic speed amplifier. Spare me your half-hearted applause. When you see what this baby can do, your applause will be at least 3/4-hearted.
So, if I wear this for 6 weeks, will my ribs heal properly?
No, my control panel will send amplification signals to your chest plate, allowing you to reach unparalleled speeds, all using state-of-the-art blast processing technology.
Blast processing technology? Those are just phony baloney buzzwords to fool the simple-minded.
Blast processing technology? Oh, gimme, gimme, gimme!
Ready to go, Sonic?
Are you serious? After all you put me through this morning? Absolutely! Wow, it works!
How you feeling, Sonic?
Like a hummingbird on his 3rd espresso. Tails, you're a genius! But how about a little more juice?
Good idea. And I'll up the levels, too.
Faster!
Maybe we should...
I know it was you,
It wasn't me, it was him!
but him is you.
He's going so fast that he's appearing 2 places at once.
But we can always go faster. Tails, crank it!
I really think we should run more tests before we push it in.
Do it! Think, Sonic. How did this happen? Must have been Eggman.
These are Sonic's last coordinates before we lost contact.
I can't believe you disintegrated Sonic. Not cool, Tails.
Of all the people in this group, who'd have thought Sonic would go off the grid before me? He must know something we don't know!
Calm down, you guys. I know what happened. The blast processing in my ultrasonic speed amplifier caused his molecules to vibrate so fast that he went on a phase with our plane of existence.
Can you explain that again? Only this time as if you were explaining it to me.
Sonic isn't gone.
Of course he's not gone. He'll always be with us, in our hearts. Dibs on his stuff!
What? No, I mean he's literally still here. He's just out of phase with the rest of us. Maybe if I recalibrate the controller, I can communicate with him.
Ask him if it's cool if I take his hammock.
Eggman, show yourself! I'll give you to the count of 3 to come out, and then I start breaking stuff. 1, 2...
What the snap happened to my wall? Oh. Ah! Oh.
You brought this upon yourself, Egghead!
Get a hold of yourself, Eggman. You're a man of science. And as such, you know that there's only one explanation for this. Ghost! Good thing I downloaded that ghost hunting app to my gauntlet. Just gotta scan for their energy signatures. Not picking up anything. The spirit must be gone.
Huh. Guess Eggman's not here after all. I almost feel bad about trashing the place. Almost.
Let's see if the security cam picked up any ghostly orbs.
Oh man, when they see this, the mods at the Phantom Finders message board are gonna regret banning you.
Those preteen tyrants are drunk with power, but even they can't deny... Wait. What's that? Orbot, enhance!
Computer, enhance.
Interesting.
Does this mean Sonic's a ghost?
Dibs on his stuff!
Sonic, can you hear me?
Tails? I read you! Where are you, buddy?
Sonic, can you hear me? Sonic! Sonic, are you there?
Tails, am I glad to see you? Well, sorta see you. What's going on?
You went too fast and wound up out of phase with our plane, but if I could just...
Tails? Tails?
Oh, am I catching you at a bad time? Of course I am. That's the idea. What better time for an ambush than when that blue buffoon is on another plane of existence?
Knuckles, you protect Tails so we can work on saving Sonic. We'll hold off Eggman.
Almost got it! Sonic, I know how to get you back, but you'll need my control panel to exist on the same plane as you.
How the heck are we gonna do that?
Coming in after you.
Are you sure that's safe?
No, but I'm not leaving you behind. This is so Oh, you run like that all the time? Can I ask you a question? How do you keep your lunch down?
Sorry, Tails, but there are some secrets you can't even share with your best friend. We need to get back and help the gang. Like now! Why isn't it working?
It doesn't have enough power to get us both up to speed. We're not going fast enough.
Never tell me I'm not going fast enough.
We can't take them all!
Did you miss me?
Well, this whole plan kind of hinged on your absence, so no, not really.
Let's do it, Tails!
I think I'll sit this one out, if you don't mind.
More for me, then!
I didn't say retreat! Come back here!
Great to have you back, Sonic, you might notice a few things missing from your shack. I can neither confirm nor deny my involvement in that.
I guess that's the end of our Sonic Speed Boost experiments.
I'm fast enough anyway. And fortunately, my best friend had my back the whole time.
You're welcome, buddy.
Let's say we grab a Med Burger to celebrate our victory.
Wait for me! Actually, I think I'll walk.